baby bus!
Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Who is the water park pickpocket? Part 3. A crowd of animals gathered around Sheriff Labrador and Officer Doberman.
Sheriff Labrador! Officer Doberman! You've got to catch the thief and help me get my phone back! Please!
Please help me!
Officer Doberman's head was hurt with questions.
Hey now, there are so many animals in line. How are we supposed to figure out who stole the phones?
Sheriff Labrador's mind raced while he looked around at the animals present, including a mighty lion named Mr. Lloyd, an anxious cat named Ms. Pickpocket, and a rotund pig named Big Belly Boaris, who was having a slice of watermelon.
Sheriff Labrador, why are you staring at me? I'm starting to blush.
Big Belly Boaris said the animal in line behind Miss Pickpocket was a monkey, as thin as a rail, and behind that animal was Mr. Lloyd. But we just saw Mr. Lloyd come down the slide. So, where is the monkey?
Mr. Lloyd and the other animals smiled when Sheriff Labrador mentioned the monkey.
Sheriff Labrador! The monkey waiting in line was so polite. Without fail, he would let the animal behind him go ahead of him when his turn came.
Yeah. He let me go first, too. Unlike some animals who jump the queue, that monkey was very polite.
That sounds fishy. He waited in line for a long time, but wasn't anxious to get on the ride. He probably had other intentions.
A beam of suspicion flashed behind Sheriff Labrador's dark, round eyes.
Could it be? Let's go check out the line, Dobie.
Roger that.
Lanky the monkey stood in line for the water slide with a broad smile.
It's a good thing I came here today. The phones I've stolen are those new waterproof ones. They're probably worth a lot of money. The ostrich behind me also has a phone. I've pulled in quite a haul today. I'm gonna wrap up and leave after I steal this last one.
Your turn, sir. Put on a life jacket, please.
When the attendant next to the slide handed him an orange life jacket, Lanky realized he was at the head of the line again. Then he stepped back quickly and spoke to Miss Olivia the ostrich behind him.
Ma'am, you've been waiting a long time. You can go ahead of me. Enjoy. I'll take my turn later.
Miss Olivia was pleasantly surprised.
Oh, thank you. That's so kind of you.
It's my pleasure. Here you are. Put on the life jacket.
As Miss Olivia put on the life jacket, Lanky locked his eyes on the phone in her pocket and then reached out his hands as quick as lightning.
Only one more phone.
Lanky, stop right there!
In a split second, a dashing figure rushed up to Lanky, shielding Miss Olivia behind him.
Huh?
Lanky looked up, and a mango-shaped face with black, round eyes came into view. He stammered with fear.
Sheriff Labrador? What are you doing here?
Isn't it obvious? I'm here to catch a thief. A thief just stole Miss Pickpockett's mobile phone here. Now all I have to do is call her cell phone number.
Sheriff Labrador took out his phone and dialed a number. Loud and clear, a ringtone rang from Lanky's pocket. Then, Miss Olivia realized what was happening.
So he just tried to steal my phone? Despicable! You are a nasty monkey!
A beam of seriousness flashed behind Sheriff Labrador's dark, round eyes.
Lanky, you're under arrest for phone theft. Now come with me to the police station.
Lanky realized he was in serious trouble. His eyes quickly darted back and forth, surveying the scene to find a path to make his escape.
I'm out of here!
Lanky's pogo stick thin legs pumped quickly as he ran towards the pool nearby.
Hey now, you can't outrun us!
Officer Doberman ran after him like the wind. Sheriff Labrador, however, frowned.
Watch out! Lanky, don't run that way!
Before Sheriff Labrador could finish, Lanky, running as fast as his thin legs could take him, skidded on the edge of the wet pool, spun around like a top several times, and finally fell to the ground with a bang. In a few seconds, a huge bump the size of a fist started to rise on his head. All the mobile phones he had stashed on him fell out onto the ground.
I'm done for.
Sheriff Labrador sighed with resignation and helped Lanky to his feet.
Lanky, the ground is slippery next to the pool. Never run around the pool. Let me take you to the hospital first, then you'll have to come with me to the police station.